Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers Team. We're out here in Kansas City, Missouri on a fairly big project. Basically what we have down here in the basement, you can see we're in a stone foundation basement. We're going to be doing our stone foundation renovation. And if you've seen any of our videos in the past, essentially what that is we'll come in here, scrape off all the loose bits of mortar, paint, debris, anything that we can scrape off. We'll get that all cleaned up off of there, and then we come in here with our fresh mortar mix, and using sponges we will coat the entirety of the stone foundation walls from the inside from top to bottom, corner to corner, filling in any kind of gaps or cracks that there are. Basically this will all be for a portion of the project just our new fresh dark concrete mortar. And then once that dries, we come in here with new white dry lock waterproofing paint, and we just paint the new concrete that we've mortared and really transform this basement. And then of course once that's done, we'll get all the cracks and everything on the existing floor sealed up with polyurethane. We're actually going to also be installing 10 of our King Pier I's under the bottom layer of the stone. We're going to do the ones going alongside this wall from the inside. And essentially all we do on that is just saw cut our 3.5 by 3.5 foot square hole, and then we just dig to get 49 inches below the bottom layer of stone. There's no footing on these, so we make sure we're extra careful. We keep the stone properly supported so it's not just falling once we're excavating. So we go 49 inches below that stone. We will then pour 3 feet of high-strength concrete, bringing us 13 inches below the bottom layer. And then we put our King Pier in and get it raised back up to the correct level elevation. And for these that we do on the inside, you know, on the outside piers, we typically always pour the concrete to encase the pier up to the top of the footing. For the inside piers, we're going to pour it back up flush with the floor. And then the rest of the piers are going to be going on the outside of this foundation wall. Same thing. Those are all King Pier I's as well. So we're going to go 49 inches below first pour of concrete to bring us 13 inches below the bottom layer, and then we'll get that raised up in case with high strength concrete. So all in all, that's essentially the major points of this project. We have a bunch of stuff on the outside front porch area. We just got a bunch of chips in the front porch. We're going to be getting out, remortaring with fresh concrete to try to smooth everything out. We're going to actually paint the concrete front porch with some gray dry lock once we're finished. And then just a little column. We need a pushback brick column. We're going to push back to vertical. But the major parts are going to be the renovation and the King Pier I installation. So it should be at least 2.5 week project. We're going to try to get as much done as we can inside. And doing the piers from the inside is going to save us quite a bit of time as well. So just stay tuned for more updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We have hundreds of videos, not just our pier installation, the footing support pier, but also all our stone foundation renovations, straightening, leaning walls, wall braces. If it can be done to a foundation, we have a video of it. So please like and subscribe if you haven't been there already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and of course you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.
Thanks.